you guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, this is the fire I was talking about for y'all. So I will be doing a Halloween series with different like Halloween looks, fall activities and stuff around that type of area. I'm super excited for this series because I feel like people don't really do Halloween series, so I'm gonna give y'all what y'all want. Even if y'all don't want it, y'all still gonna get it. Into this video, this look was inspired by Aaliyah J. Before we get into this video, please make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, because this is just the first of many. So y'all need to get into it. So hit the subscribe button, hit the post notifications bell so you're notified every single time I make a post, because you don't want to miss what I have in store for you guys. I'm telling you, nothing but ideas. So without further ado, let's get into it. Hey y'all, so I'm going in and I'm priming my eyelids. I'm not going to set them because Aaliyah didn't set hers, so I'm not gonna set mine. So I'm kind of just following everything that she does, except using like my own palettes and stuff, and everything that I use will be in the description box below. Now I'm going in with the color tan to just put that in my crease. Then I'm gonna go in my lower crease with the color brown, and you literally want to make sure these are blended very well, because once you pack the black on, those are your two shades that you want to be seamless. Like, you want the black to blend in with all of these colors. You want them to mesh well. I think y'all get the point. So now you'll see me blending out the colors together. You want them to be as one. You do not want the black to be just so harsh on the eye. So make sure you blend it really good. Now, this is the fun part. I'm going in with a white eyeliner first because I was scared to dive right in with the black eyeliner, considering this was my first time doing this look. So I'm taking my time, and as you'll see, I'm kind of messing up a little bit. So I have a makeup wipe to wipe off some things that I messed up. You really want to take your time with this part because these are the legs of the spider. And make sure you have 8. So you'll see in another clip, you'll see my mom's hand in there making sure I have 8 because I can't count, but that's neither here nor there. Just make sure you count and make sure that the spider legs actually like spider legs. I'm going in with a black eyeliner. This is like your final product, basically. If you mess this up, then you're basically gonna have to start over with the makeup wipe, but I actually did start over on a couple legs, and you'll see that in a couple clips later. With the spider legs, you kind of want to have fun, you know. Some of them should be thicker than others, some of them should be skinny, stuff like that, so have fun. So in this clip, you see me saying, is this a spider? Because that one leg over there, it didn't look like a spider. I feel like it was too far apart. So I actually wiped it off and redid that one. On your eyeliner, you may be able to wipe it off easy. Just depends on your eyeliner, but like you see me doing, I'm retouching a couple of them and even redoing a couple. Now I'm going in with a really small brush, like I think it's like a lip brush or something like that, and I'm kind of creating the shadows. So she said you want to start from the tip and then go to the outer part. I'm also using gray, not brown like her. So for the highlighted portions on the spider, I chose to use acrylic paint. It's matte white, by the way, and I'm using a very fine paintbrush, and I'm using it to place 2 white markings on each of the legs. Taking my NYX eyeliner, I'm placing that on my waterline, so when I put my pop of green down, you'll be able to see it better. So I'm basically done, but to complete the look, I'm going to apply lashes. I applied mascara before. If you're interested, feel free to go visit my other video, a detailed lash tutorial. The description will be in the box below, so feel free to go, check that out. Now for my lip, I'm using a purple shade to line them, and then I'm going in with my NYX Butter Gloss, and on top of that I'm going in with just this shimmery gold gloss. And that is the finished look. This was my first time doing a black smoky eye, and I think I did really good on this look for it to be my first time. I'm super excited for this month of October because, like I said, I have so much in store for you guys. This was my first part of my series, but I have much more in store for you guys. So if you want to continue to see videos like this, please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're notified every single time I make a post. Don't forget to like this video, and tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your brother's cousin, sister, because y'all gonna love what I got in store for y'all. I'm super excited for this month, like I said again, and I'll see you in my next video.